It's Thursday, February 18th, 2010. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. The markets are up again. Woo! Did not expect yet another up day. I had to change my tune pretty quick this morning. I was net to the bear side, gave back some, went bullish, and glad that it stayed bullish the remainder of the day so I didn't get whipsawed. We have the Dow up 0.8%, 0.6% here on the S&P, and 0.7% on the NASDAQ, and the same goes for the Russells. And a very, very nice drop here on the volatility index. The VIX is down below 21. We're hovering right there at the 20 mark. Gang, I'm telling you, when you look at the VIX chart, it looks yummy. Like that dude is ready to go to the upside, meaning that means the markets would be going to the bear side. However, we've been just churning upward, upward, upward forever. This is the S&P daily. We rise yet again, and check this out. Just as we were saying that if we did pop up, our 50-day moving average should act as resistance, and it does right there perfectly. So will it continue to act as resistance? Maybe, maybe not. I would say the next level to worry about would be 1114, 1115 area if we keep going northbound. And let me show you something on the MACD. The MACD, we're starting to drop on these positive histogram ticks. See this? How they're starting to drop? That's showing a slowing taking place here on this up move. And let me show you what's going on with the volume. I'm looking at the spiders here daily. A nice run. Let's check out the volume. Itsy bitsy. So the volume fairly small here compared to the moving average that's up here. Now because of these volume spikes that we had, it brought this line up a little high, but you know, I would expect to see some more volume. I like that we're ticking upward, you know, on this move. So that's saying we could continue northbound. Let's look at the NASDAQ while we're here. And here's the NAS. The NAS running up. We blasted through 50-day moving average, making higher highs, higher lows. But the MACD, look at this. See that slight step down that we're getting on the histogram? Showing a closing taking place on the moving averages. So I think it's just a matter of time before we get that crossover taking place. But I think the next level to be concerned with would be right around 2255 if we can keep going northbound, and perhaps 2270 area would be the next part. So let's see how the markets behave themselves. Tomorrow will be the weekend edition, and on top of the weekend edition we have our ever popular V newsletter. And a lot of you guys don't even know what the V newsletter is, but the V newsletter comes out weekly, and it's my personal bull and bear list that Matador and I use to, it takes us 5 hours to come up with a fundamental screening on the bull and bear list. And from those lists, we look at them technically. So what we do is we pick our stocks fundamentally and we trade them technically. So the V newsletter is something that comes out on a weekly basis, and it's out there for the taking. And it's only for those that want to also trade what we're trading. And for the most part, I'd say 99% of the time, I'm trading strictly off of my bull and bear list. Today I did do a day trade off of MEND, M-E-N-D. And I happen to still hold a position of it overnight. So let's see if that dude can keep moving. It's not on our bull list at this moment, but it was one that I couldn't pass up on a day trade. So take care. Safe trading to you.